Hello guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment, and number one channel of entertainment news gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, this is a recap of the 12th activity. Yeah. Starting from Sylvia contemplates giving up on Jerry. Though Sylvia seems to be so much in love with Jerry, she might just be fed up of trying to make things work between the two of them. Sylvia, during a heart-to-heart chat with Rosie, she showed her frustration with the way her love affair has been with her partner Jerry. She said, "I wish Auntie can bring in more people into the house because I don't want to leave now. It is too early for me to leave now. I am tired of making things work. I will not put in I will not put in more anymore. I will not try to push things again. Now I understand where I stand in his life. I feel for you there. It is hard to cope with the fact that the man you love does not feel the same way you do." Rosie actually tried for Sylvia. Her words were soothing. She told her to take things easy and be a friend to him firstly. The way you are doing things right now is pushing him away. Hold him the way you would an egg. Hmm. I feel for Sylvia too. Okay, still on the day 12 activity, Bonanle find out who took extra juice. Later you guys will see Bonanle has come again. Oh. Please, who took the extra pack of juice from the fridge? Bonanle is currently furious and she is about to totally lose her already cracked voice. She says someone or some persons took 2 extra packs of juice after sharing a pack for each couple. Help me ask these guys if they actually drink juice in their house as much as they do here in Auntie's house. Why will anyone take the juice meant for other couples? I don't know what's going on. Then suddenly Jay confesses to Nkechi on missing juice. Hey, finally Jay has confessed to taking, stealing or tapping the missing juice, pack of juice. So thanks to Nkechi for helping us interrogate him. It was not the juice that pained me. It was what Jay said. He said, "I was the one that took it and I did it intentionally." Jay claimed that Bolanle took a whole bottle of cashew nuts to her room and finished it. I think he might have a point there, but Nkechi asked him if two wrongs make a right. Anyway, I dare Jay to make his confession public. Michael, Cherry, already enjoying matrimony. See, Michael is already enjoying the goodies of matrimony with his bae, Cherry, even in Auntie's house. It does not matter who is having problems with their partners. As long as Cherry sees Michael, all her problems are gone. Dr. Cherry attending to Michael, a patient. Keep enjoying yourself, Michael. I'm happy for you. Arnold regrettably taxed Bolanle assistant auntie. Arnold has told auntie that he's having a hard time with his babe, Bolanle. He described her as the assistant auntie. She wants to be on everybody's page, and that is negative. Even the people she's dealing with do not like that approach. While pouring out his mind to auntie, he said he's getting fed up. She doesn't listen. People come to report her to me, saying, "Talk to your madam." Arnold, you chose Bonanle and she also chose you. That is one of the things that come with the package. You are the man, make her listen to you. Anyway, Arnold rejected Auntie's offer to swap after she turned down several requests to go think about it. Iyke defends why he sleeps with Theresa in the parlor. Iyke has told Auntie why he and Theresa do not sleep in their different rooms, but in the sitting room. We are not allowed to sleep in each other's room, and this is the time we are still addicted to each other. Auntie did not even allow him to land before asking, "And you guys sleep in my parlor?" Ike, that has been described as one of the most matured in the house, refused to tell Auntie Theresa's flaw. He also expressed his fear of meeting Theresa's mom. Ike, be a man, don't be scared. She's a woman and you're a man. Anyway, you didn't hear this from me. Oh. Jay opens up on his feeling for Presh Talker. I know this Jesus is going different places these days. Though Jay has never hidden his feeling about Nkechi to the point that he said if he was not going to end up with her on the show, he would check out. He has made new revelation. While Jay was chatting with Auntie, he said his first choice of all the ladies way back from the auditioning was Presh Talker and Nkechi was his second choice. Wow, are you saying if Presh Talker was in the house from the beginning of the show, you would have chosen her instead? He also revealed that he was aware that Jerry has a soft spot for Nkechi and wasn't sure what his fate would have been if Jerry started the show with them. David accepts not being man enough on Rosie's issue. Apologetic David has revealed that he knows he has not been man enough to make things right with Rosie before the final couples list was revealed. He made this announcement after Auntie asked him if he knew he seemed to be the black sheep in the house. You will not believe his response. I am a Port Harcourt boy. From where I come from, we don't hide our feelings. Though he said he wasn't trying to be smart with Rosie and wasn't proud of what he did, he would have still picked Presh Talker no matter what. My guy, you can't stand knowing Presh Talker was your first pick. Now you're apologizing. Wow for this guy. Kachi has no problem with Rosie already has a child. Kachi says he does not have any problem with the fact that Rosie already has a child out of wedlock. She told me that she already has a child. He is a boy, that's fine. Kachi, you're a man, a correct man at that one. He, however, expressed some difficulty about his relationship with Rosie. In his chat with Auntie, Kachi did not waste his time to make her know how he feels. I am not at peace. I don't want to be caught unawares again. His words got Auntie attentive when he added that she still allows her past with David affect her. She's not open yet, but I'm taking my time. Kachi also believes that Rosie should not have attended the reconciliation meeting she had with David. Even if she will attend that kind of a meeting, it should be short. Are you jealous? I wonder. Lover boy Michael Alice Cherry's fear about meeting his family. Michael has been able to assure Cherry that his mother is not going to have a problem with her when they finally meet. This was important for Cherry, who has been able to also assure Michael that her foster dad will also love him. Michael also uses one-on-one session with Auntie to eloquence Cherry. She's selfless. She does not put herself first at all. He also revealed to Auntie how he watched her sleep and how he wakes up with a peck. Please, Michael, we do not need this information. We already know you guys love each other. Don't mind that guy talks too much. So guys, this is still the Ultimate Love Reality TV show recap. This is day 12 activity, how it went down. So let us know what you feel in the comment section. And if you're a new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops.